beautiful yarny friends, welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda, and today I got a parcel from Hobbii. Who doesn't love Hobbii yarn? I've lost my scissors. There we go. There we are. So I'm going to, I can't even remember what I bought, to be honest. So let's just cut into this so I'm not upsetting anybody with the crinkle. And if I do, I apologise. Right, okay. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, yes. Butterfly. I think I got two of these. Yes. I got two of these, guys. But can you see all the different colours of blue? And I think this was called denim. I know it's colour number 3. It's called Butterfly. 100% premium acrylic, and there's 200 grams in here, 547 yards, 500 meters, 4 to 4.5 millimeter knitting needle, or a 4 to 4.5 crochet hook. It's designed in Denmark but made in with love in Turkey. It's a 3-weight light, which yes, I would agree, it's not a DK. But it's a little bit thicker than a finger weight, which is lovely. So I've got two of those. Really nice. I wanted to try them. My good friend Angela, she said they were lovely. So I took her advice and got some. The next lot I got is some sock yarn. Gosh, I've got a bit of a fetish for sock yarn, guys. Yeah, so this is manufactured for Mayflower, Denmark. It's got the OTEC label. I've got two of them. There are 210 meters, 229 yards. It's 50 grams. Needle is 2.5 to 3 millimeter, and the same for hook. And it is sock yarn Uranus, 75% wool, 25% nylon. So, and I love this yarn. I got, it was called something else, but now it's called sock yarn Uranus. So I've used it before, and it really does knit up nice, flows off the needles beautifully. So I've got them. And last but not least, what else did I get? Let's see what else I got in here. Let's see what else I got. Oh, I got yarn yummies. I got Uranus, which is called Reddish, and I got a seam ripper as a free gift, and then I bought two of the Horizon, which is called Twilight, which is number 8. So that is, aren't they just my colours, guys? Aren't they just my colours? I love them colours. So let's see what the thing is. Again, this has gone the Okotex standard, so it's confident in textiles. There is 200 grams, 550 meters, 601 yards, 4 millimeter needle, 4 millimeter hook. It's 100% acrylic, and it's colour number 8. But they're so soft. So soft. Really nice against the skin. So yeah, guys, so that is what I bought. Not a big haul, but I really do like this. This would make, I'm trying to think, this would make a really nice poncho, this, to go with your denim jeans. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a poncho, I think. For some denim jeans. How much is this? 547 yards. I'll have plenty. plenty, guys. So that's all from me for today. I hope you are well. I hope you're taking care and staying safe. And until next time, take care, stay safe, and more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.